I'll grab the post. Skulls for them. You ain't even flying in combat, are you?
No. I'm jumping. You call it hack. I'm recording, so why would I hack?
He's so stupid, isn't he? He's a noob. He's just a noob, don't worry about it.
Yeah, I'm just gonna put that. I'm just gonna put why am I doing this? He started on me.
Kenny just wants you to stop, but don't stop.
Okay, Cole, I need to get more gaffles. So
They need help. They just said they need help. How much travels do you have left?
not many. So if you can cover him, I'm just gonna shoot myself away.
Alright, I'll distract volcano people. He just dropped OP pots.
What?
I picked the OP pot up.
Nice.
Thanks for the pot. Nah,
Okay, so make sure you're
I am okay. That's so funny. I got his OP pot back.
That's wicked. I should have tackled you, but what OP part is it?
OP4.
Can I have it, please?
No,
Don't you have like 7?
no, I got like I only got one left.
I thought you had loads. I thought you had loads of armor.
Loads of armor.
Yeah.
I do. I just want more.
I thought you bought like two or three stacks. No. I thought you bought like 4 or 5 stacks of armor.
What, from the token shop or
Yeah.
no?
I would have.
I've already got a lot of armor. I don't need any more. Where's Volcano Creeper gone?
Oh, yeah, he has an OP part on him. But it's still an OP4.
It's funny because I stole his pot.
Yeah, and he grabbed him again now. Me and you just like,
You just got him there to 45 health from me.
yeah, keep on swacking, man. Just keep on.
Who's this new Valvenon? Never heard of this guy before. He's dead anyway. His helmet's gone.
Let me just kill this thing.
Hack much. He's running. Kian, get this on camera. Get this on camera. He's running while aiming with his bow. Get this on camera. Come back. Come back. Look, he's running while aiming with his bow. That's hacking. That is hacking. Look at that.
And type in fly at the same time.
Oh no, he's out of combat because I can fly as well.
Yeah, I know, but you was typing fly at the same time. Because you don't just fly, do you?
No, you
type
can.
it.
You can now.
What?
Volcano fever. Hack much. Aiming bow while running. Recorded. He's gonna get banned.
Yep. Because I got all of that on camera.
Alright, you may as well end the recording now.